In a world where the ordinary captivates, let's journey into the extraordinary realm of animal abilities. Picture the humble star-nosed mole, an earthbound creature with a superhero's gift. It eats faster than the human eye can follow, in less than 0.2 of a second. Now imagine the dragonfly. It's not just another pretty face, its eyes contain more than 28,000 individual lenses, granting them near panoramic vision. Ever heard of the lyrebird? This avian maestro can mimic almost any sound it hears, from chainsaws to camera shutters. And let's not forget the immortal jellyfish, a creature that can revert its cells back to their earliest form and start life anew. The animal kingdom, a marvel of nature's ingenuity, where the incredible becomes the everyday. Stay amazed, and remember, there's always more to discover.